Guys, the truth of the matter is this: no matter how high data attempts to go or attempts, to be, there must definitely be a way out for us to do what to subscribe or for us to buy cheapest plan for all our network. Guys, in this video, I'm definitely going to show you how you can actually buy 1 gig of Airtel data valid for 7 days at the rate of 230 naira. Yes, you had me clear. With 230 naira, you are good to go to purchase what? A what data of a whole 1 gig for just 230, and this data is valid for just 7 days, which is a week. So please, I am begging you, if you are interested to know how you can actually subscribe your Airtel network in Nigeria just by spending 230 naira, this video is for you. Stay with me from very start to the end of this video. And please, if today is your first time coming to this channel, it is very, very important you subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and so you always get notified whenever I drop an amazing tutorial video. Because in this channel, what I do is this: I test some online money making platform or application, then I will definitely come here and give you guys my experience and tell you if this is legit or not. Do you understand? So let us dive into the full tutorial video, guys, right this moment. Okay, so what I will be doing in this video is this: I'm definitely going to show you guys proof, because I'm definitely going to buy 1 of data using this method for Airtel, which is valid for complete 7 days, at least to prove to you guys that yes, it is talk and do, it is active and you can purchase it. So the app I will be using in this video is actually this app. Do not worry, I'm definitely going to drop the link of the app on my video description, so do well to check this particular video description to get the link to register or to get this app. Do you understand? There is a lot of mimicked app that looks exactly like this, but please don't fall for those scammers. I'm definitely going to link the link of this particular one, because this is the original one on the video, this video description, so you can actually make use of that. So coming into this place now, as you can see, I am having just 334 naira. Now if I want to purchase my data, let me just go straight to what I am here for. Now as you can see, with this app you can actually convert your data from data to money, which is this. Then you can buy airtime, you can do your data, then this is pay bills. Do you understand? Good. So the one I'll be going for today is just buying of data. So all I need to do is just to select this option that says what? Data. Do you understand? Good. So once you select this option, guys, you have these options here. Then coming above this place, these are actually the numbers I've been using to purchase my data. Do you understand? Good. And here are the networks that you can actually buy data from using this particular network. Now, since I'm talking basically on Airtel, so all I have to do is just to select my Airtel. So once I select my Airtel, sorry, as you can see, with just 290 naira, you can get 1 gig. That's a special worth of data for 7 good days. Can you see? Just with 1 gig, you can get what? Just with 290, you can get 1 gig for complete a week. Now, this is what I have to do. I have to tap on it. Then once I tap on it, here you put in the phone number you want, to go with. But before we buy this data now, let me take you guys around and show you some of the prices, because right this moment now, data prices is still increasing. Can you see? Look at this one. Just for a week, the same a week, you have to pay 920 for 1.5 gig. This is kinda okay. Then 2,400, you can purchase a week plan. I think this one is still okay. I think this one is still okay. 2,004 for 6 gig. That's for 7 days. This one is actually more preferable for people that is running content. And believe me, I love this one that says 4,750 to get your data. This is actually okay, guys. So Airtel people, I think we need to we need to use this particular app, because their data ranging stuff here is actually okay by me. Do you understand? It's actually okay by me. I don't know about you, and I've been using it. It is serving me well. Do you understand? So let me just click on the first one. Then once I select this, I have to put the Airtel number. 078754990. So once you've inserted, you click on proceed. Now, once you click on proceed, this is what you will see, and this is the amount you have. Click on proceed again. Now, here you put in your code. So let's see what's going to happen. Data top up failed. Kindly try again later. Why? Is it that network is having issue or what? So let's see what the notification is. So guys, I don't know, maybe it's network that is actually disturbing. So let's redo it again. Or is it because I spent time doing it? So let me go to data again, click on Airtel, then select special one, which is number one. Then here I'm going to put my number 070 8754 1994. Then after that, I'm going to click on proceed, then click on proceed again, then insert my pin. Let's see if this will go this time around. This is actually an error. Maybe their network is actually having issues. But believe me, guys, this is just how we can actually do that. Do you understand? I will definitely do it later. And believe me, it works because today is not actually my first time purchasing this plan with this particular app. Do you understand? Give it a try and let me know in the comment section if this stuff actually works out for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates like this. I love you guys and bye bye for now.